Hey guys, it's Mike from Trade the Fifth Wave. It is Tuesday, November 23rd, 2021. It is 6:38 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we are going to talk about our today's quick hit. Uh, this is a video I do and I put out over social media, kind of show that you showcase of my opinions and how well I do at picking them. I do one every day and I put it out. It's free for everybody. It doesn't cost anybody anything, and typically it turns into a pretty good shot. Before we get started, though, I want to say that anything I say in this video is my opinion and my opinion alone. It is not advice to buy, sell, or hold any kind of stock or commodity. I am not a professional trader. Uh, I just tend to be really good at it. And so if you're interested in following, I do a coffee and stocks video every day where I look at about 20 stocks. I do it first thing in the morning. I just finished it up. It just went out on an email to all the subscribers to that. Or if you're interested, I have a live trading Discord where obviously you can get the coffee and stocks video in there. But I do a live trading session every day. It looks a lot like this video. It's basically the same screen you see, but you can watch and see how I enter trades and how I set trades up and uh, what we look at and what we play. Like yesterday, we played a lot of LGVN, which was a stock that ran well over 300%, or I'm sorry, 180%. And then today we're going to talk about QLGN. But if you're interested in either the email chain or the Discord chain, or the Discord gig, I use a product called Fiverr, which is an internet middleman company where I go in and I set up the gig accordingly, which is what they call it. And you go in and you look at it and you say, yes, I want to give this guy a shot, but of course, I don't trust him. So you pay Fiverr. Fiverr then holds the money. And at the end, if for any reason you don't believe I did exactly what I said I was going to do, you tell Fiverr, no, this guy's a scam. I want my money back. They give you your money back, no questions asked. Or if I did do what I said I was going to do, you go ahead and say, yes, he is doing what he said he was going to do. They release the money to me. It protects me and it protects you and it gives everybody some peace of mind. So that said, let's look at QLGN. Now this has uh, some outstanding volume for it's reasonably low float at 30 million shares, and there's already been 5 million shares traded pre-market. It's going to pull back a little bit deeper yet, and it is going to make a pretty good shot. Like right this second, it's at 208. We'll call it 208, 207, whatever, 208. And in the near term, that leaves that window right there at a 68% target. Um, so people were saying, well, where would I get in at? I would like to see, I mean, you kind of got to, getting in, you got to make your own choices. You got to, wait for a bottom and all that. One of my favorite, one of my favorite places to enter day trades is on a 5 minute chart. And I need to zoom that out way out because wow, that was big. But I look for the golden cross on the RSI on the MACD, or there's a couple different ways. I mean, everybody's got their own trade style. I actually don't think this is done coming down yet. Uh, I would like to see it come down here to the 5 minute 50 variable moving average, which if it gets down to that 183 mark uh, and bounces, that would be a fantastic position. It did, however, test right here on the 5 minute. This is the same level. It's seen that twice. So if it does bounce up and go up from there, I kind of feel like your next real level of resistance. I mean, if I guess if it, I'm looking for a good point, looking for a good point. The safety level, I guess, would be that 230 mark. Uh, if it breaks and retests, the play I like to play is it runs up, it breaks, it retests, and then that point right there would be where I'd get in. So that wherever that point is, that would be my retest line, I would think. Just looking at this, there's not that almost, but somewhere around that 230 to 232 point. I guess if it retests anywhere, if it breaks and retests anywhere through there, uh, so between 220 and 230, if it breaks through there, retest somewhere in there, again, that swing high before the pullback of the retest, that would be my entry point. So there it is. That's Quickhit for the day. I hope that helps somebody out. I think there's a very good level of money in there to be made. 68, 69%. So if seeing the coffee and stocks video is something you would be interested in doing and seeing them as soon as they're done, follow the Fiber Gig. That right now, as this video is being made, costs $10 a month. It's 50 cents a day, uh, trading day. The Discord channel, as we make this video, is $25 a month, which is, I believe, a super value for. Yesterday I had people make 10%. The two trades I personally took yesterday, I made 7% on one and 11% on the other. Uh, we've had people. We had a guy. I had a 49% win here that not that long ago. The big win in the big win column, because I have a thing for people to put their big wins. We had a guy that took 70% off of SOPA back on November 10th. It was a fantastic play, 70% monster play. So that's what Discord gets you: live trades. SOPA that day, we did not know anything about pre-market. Pre-market hit, boom, it took off. We got in, we got a setup. We found a setup, we checked it out. We said, yep, we're getting in 70%. So appreciate you guys watching. Like, share, subscribe, share this with your friends. That really helps me. And as always, I hope you make $1 million today. Good luck.